How's it going, guys? That Texan Collector here, and today we're going to be looking at this 1994 Casablanca Delta 2 in Snow White. This is the current fan in my bedroom, and this is the fan that replaced the Emerson Sears turn of the century ceiling fan I had up before this. Now, I have had this up in my room before. It was a few years ago, but it had 4 blades instead of 5. Plus, these just look proper with 5 blades with the rounded tip blades. So the fan's in pretty nice shape. As you can see, it is. The vents have seen better days, but there is a few scuffs and scratches from being transported from storage here and there. But other than that, it's in really nice shape, and it performs really well as well. Has a nice K4S light kit in Snow White as well, with a nice crystal glass. Really looks good on it. The pull chain fobs are older, but in my opinion they look good on it. I got this fan from one of my other collecting friends because I wanted a Snow White Delta 2. I think these look really good in this color, but I'll show you the tag. Overall, I really like this fan. It looks really good in this room. But no further ado, let's get it started. Alrighty, we'll start it up first on low. Standard Casablanca 3-speed board. Probably only going to show it with the light on, as my room is really dark, even with my desk lamp on, especially on videos, so I'll just leave the light on. Bearings are in really nice shape for its age, so it has a nice and healthy spin down. I don't know if I'll ever show this again with 4 blades. Kind of regret not videoing it whenever it did have 4 blades, but like I said, these do look proper with 5 blades having rounded tip blades. Bump it up to medium without falling on the way. It's your standard 3-speed medium. It's quite a little bit faster than a normal medium, but it's still pretty nice. This is the speed I usually run it on the most. Now we'll bump it up to high. So you can probably tell one of the blades is slightly tweaked, but it doesn't seem to affect it and doesn't have any wobble, but you can just still tell. But this thing performs well. It really does crank out a good amount of air on high. Now we'll go ahead and shut it down. Show you that long spin down. Been meaning to video this thing for a pretty long time, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. This thing is just so nice though. I really like Casablanca's white. It's not as cool as Hunter's white that they had on the originals, but it's still a really nice white color. Plus, it matches my antique white Delta 1 in the master bedroom really well too. But that's really it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.